Well, this week, Wall Street took a nosedive heading into a bear market, leaving many worried about the possibility of a recession. Thanks for joining us. I'm Natalie Sapaila. News 9's Adriana Daniel joins us in Newsroom with a look at what experts have to say. Hey, Adriana.
Hey, Natalie. The S&P 500 went into a bear market on Monday for the first time since the start of the pandemic. Financial advisors in our area said consumers should be mindful of what is happening in the stock market.
Hop in the car, go to the grocery store, then stop and get gas, and then go home and turn the news on. And just those three things alone, I think, would paint a really good picture about what's going on socially, economically, politically.
The phrase bear market means there has been a 20% decrease from the stock's highest peak. CBS News reported this week the index went down 4% on Monday, making it 21% below its January peak.
And so there's a lot that's contributing to it: elevated prices, inflation, increased cost of fuel. Those are all things that contribute to that decrease in the overall market value.
While a bear market does not necessarily trigger or even lead to a recession, Glashinsky does say consumers should look to take control of their finances now.
Because there's obviously cause for concern. However, people can address that concern by having a rock-solid financial plan.
Former Treasury Secretary Larry Summers predicts the country is likely to see a recession in the next 2 years.
We are likely to have a recession. I think we have overheated the economy and gotten some bad luck. And when the pendulum swings too far one way, it tends to swing back the other way.
President Biden disagrees and has been strong in his opinion that the Federal Reserve is able to handle the current financial climate, and he does not believe a recession is, quote, inevitable.
I'm using every lever available to me to bring down prices for the American people.
It's important to note the market dip does not mean a recession is here. A recession is defined as the gross domestic product declining for 2 consecutive quarters.
Yeah, and Adriana, when are we expected to know if we are officially in a recession?
Natalie, the country did see a drop of 1.5% in quarter one, and the second quarter findings will be released at the end of July. In the newsroom, Adriana Daniel, News 9, WAOW.